Earth morning, fellow Earthling. I seek entrance into this domicile.
Do you live here?
Affirmative.
Your name?
Gorblock, the world eater.
Yeah, no, I can't let you in.
Infiltration attempt has been foiled. More covert measures may be required. We must retreat!
I can hear you. Oh, Mr. Feathers, welcome home.
Thank you, Jeeves.
Great dinner, and you still have a wonderful day. Can I help you, miss?
Greetings. I require entrance to my home.
Name?
Gloria.
Last name?
World eater.
Yeah, next time, Gorblock, I can't let you in.
Curse you, Doorkeeper! So, seems you're busted Gorblock, the world eater! You've proven to be a worthy foe. So, you leave me no other choice. Please, pretty please, with a cherry on top.
Sorry, I can't let you in. You don't live here.
Fine. You've probably seen the last of Gorblock.
Jeeves, have you seen my guest?
No, what's his name?
Gorblock. You wouldn't miss him.
No, I don't think I've seen that person. I know that name.
Oh, okay. It's not like him to be late. Thank you.
Bye.